Hi, my name is Hannah, and today we have our US tax expert Derren. We also have our US real estate and legal expert Jay. We will be discussing US real estate forensic. Hai, nama saya Hannah. Hari ini kami memiliki pakar pajak Amerika Serikat kami Derren. Kami juga memiliki pakar real estate dan hukum Amerika Serikat kami Jay. Dan kami akan membahas forensik real estate Amerika Serikat.
This podcast channel is about you. Successful international entrepreneurs. Successful expats. Successful investors. Sponsored by HCJ.tax.
Hey, we're live. Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm based in Indonesia. And I'm working in an international tax consultancy. And today we will talk about US real estate forensic, and this episode is about scam, real estate scam. So right now I'm here with two of our experts. So first of all, Derren, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Hi, thanks, Hannah. Hello, everybody. So we're continuing this series. My name is Derren Joseph, and I'm an international tax consultant with a team called Moores Rowland. And my specialty is international tax in general, but U.S. international in particular. Good to be here.
Jay, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Jay Knight. Thanks very much for having me again. I am an international real estate investor, and I also am a real estate broker from California. So great to be here. Thank you.
Okay. Number 6, too good to be true testimonial, aka fake news. So Derren, do you have anything to say about this?
Yeah, that happens all the time. Whether you have actors who give false testimonials, or I have seen cases that I suspect, I don't know, but it appears as if the person who's on stage, especially in Asia, right? So it's someone who's local, is on stage saying that they went, and while they're speaking, there's a PowerPoint thing running behind, and you can see them in front of their home and whatever. Often enough, those transactions didn't happen, that person really didn't close on the deal. They claim to have done so, but they may not have. And again, to me, it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell because it's hard to believe that one of your own community, somebody who may be loosely known within your network, the periphery of your network, is standing on a stage representing a foreign company and claiming that they have done this and they've made so much money. But I guess a sign is when they run with the claims that it's so easy, because we know there's no such thing as easy, right? There must have been hiccups. There must have been some challenge along the way. There must have been something that was unexpected. So if you were having a conversation with someone you knew and trusted, you'd expect to get like a balanced perspective. Yes, I did win, but it did take a little bit longer than I expected to close, or there were these fees that I didn't really factor in, or there is a rental guarantee, but it's only for a certain duration of time and it caps out at a certain amount. There's always something that balance, it makes it like an even conversation. But when that person is just there as if they are a part of the sales effort as opposed to just a genuinely satisfied customer, then that should raise red flags. And again, all I say is bring the critical awareness that you have from your 9-to-5 business to this opportunity. And that's all. If someone is trying to sell you something in your 9-to-5 and it is, as you said, it's too good to be true, chances are it is. Just use your, easy.
I see. So Jay, do you have anything to add on that?
Well, actually, yeah, I think being, a real estate investor and having a brokerage company for a long time, it's like anything else. It's very rare that someone who doesn't have any kind of background in this is just going to walk into the industry after taking a simple course or going to a simple seminar and, parlaying that into, this huge success in a short period of time. It just doesn't happen. Like in any business, it just doesn't happen that way. So when you see somebody like, really promising you or, giving you strong indications that, hey, all you need to do is complete this course or come to this seminar and you're going to, even though you don't have any background knowledge in this, you can start making $200,000 a year or whatever. Now, there are times where that can happen because depending on market, location, there are certain factors that could play a role in being able to make a lot of money. I know I made about $60,000 off my first deal, but that's not very common. And even 60,000 is not normally what these people are telling you. They're telling you you can make 100,000 off each deal and so forth. They can make 200,000 and so forth. So I would just say that, be very wary of any kind of strong indicators that are given to you that, this is an easy business to get into, that you don't really need to have a lot of background information or knowledge about it. All you need to do is take this course and you can walk out and do it. It just doesn't work that way in the real world, and definitely not in the real estate investment world. So anytime you see something like that, again, like Derren says, use your critical analysis and just be careful. Proceed cautiously.
Actually, yes. I have something to piggyback what just Derren say. Because I used to be an actress or model. So some of my friends, we just like the #1 artist or model. When there's real estate just open, for example, they open a compound. They give this actress or model a house if they can sell 10 houses. So if you can sell 10 houses, you just convince your friend or you can convince your fans or anything like that just to buy 10 houses. You will get a house. Or apartment is the same thing. So I think this is like same like making deal. But then again, most of the smart models or actors, they make a deal something like, okay, I will do it, but first you need to pay me because I'm promoting your business. But some of them, they don't want to pay. They just want you, okay, if you sell 10 houses, then I will give you a house or an apartment, something like this. So yeah, I mean they're smart, really, really smart. So the scam is really are there.
Yeah, and what they do, they do it very cleverly. I mean, they'll get people who, probably like their sisters or their cousins of the company or whatever to make these testimonials, people that you can never verify, and they'll never give them their full name. They'll just use their first name, like Joe from Nebraska or Jessica that's from Florida, They never give their full names, which, is understandable to some degree, but it does make you think that, yeah, this could be anybody. There's no real way to validate it. It's just taking their word, and there really is no validation in that. So just be careful, just be somewhat cautious when you see that kind of stuff.
I know about that, like so many comments about Joe from this part and then Jessica from this. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that of course. Yeah.
So
the scam is really wow. I mean, it blows my mind really. Okay.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.